Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to export multiple clips, maybe for an Instagram reel, for TikTok, or for YouTube Shorts, but you don't have a good way to export them within a few clicks? So you have to export them individually, which is a waste of time. Don't worry. Today I have two solutions for you. Only needs a few clicks and bang, the clips are exported at the same time. Okay, I won't waste your time, so let's go. The first way is to use Premiere Pro. Here I have 3 clips. In order to be able to export multiple clips, the first thing is to nest the videos. Select the clip, right-click, and select Nest. In the pop-up panel, it will let you name it. Just so you know, this name here will be the file name that you exported. Now one clip is nested. You can repeat that until all clips are nested. But here I will show you a fast way to do it. You can go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. In the search bar, type Nest, and under the Shortcut tab, click on this space here. Hold down the Alt option on your keyboard and C. Click OK. Now select the clip, Alt, and C, and name the clip. Now the clip is nested. Isn't that great? Now all of my clips are nested. In the Project panel, select all the clips you want to export. Right-click and select Export Media. It will open up Adobe Media Encoder. Then you can simply hit Export to export them at the same time. Now, let me show you the second solution. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, you can download it by clicking the link I put in the description area. Now, in the timeline, I also have 3 clips. Look, this is very easy. Select all the clips you want to export. Now right-click, here under Export Clip, choose Export Batch Clips. And now in the pop-up panel, you can simply name it and export. Isn't that easy? It really saves so much time. Okay, if you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.